We're gonna be working on a Nissan Sentra. We're gonna replace the strut, if I can find the lamp right there. Okay. Jack it up. There you go. 21 mil. Okay. And I'm working on a full panza. There you go. This one. I forgot my impact sockets too. Gotta go get those. 17. Break those loose. Yeah. This Sentra runs actually really good, guys. There we go. Set that there. Yep. That's loose. Put it just like that. God, it's fucking hot out here. You know, we do have an impact there. Could make it easier for ourselves. But no. There you go. This should come loose. This is off. And there you go. So we're about to top. 13. Now this one. Now you want to hold the strut, take that off. Like that. And now we can grab this. Bring it down. Look it up. Just like that. There you go. Yep. Always match the parts up. Make sure they're the same, homeboys. Don't forget your nuts. Let's grab our nuts. We'll have it ready right here. Reinsert it. Line them up. And then start the nuts. Hold it up. Just until it catches. Snug it down once we have it sitting down. Put that back on. That bottom bolt. These are the easy ones. There's some out there that's more harder. There you go. Oh shit. That nut was coming from me. And there you go. Grab our torque wrench. Hear the clicking sound? No, that's not my mouth. Okay, maybe it is. All right. See, this ain't that bad, homies. Gotta go like this. And then now, we get the wrench and hammer wrench. Get it? Hammer wrench. Bam. That's how it's done. Got it done, guys. So like I said, it's just these strut bolts, this brake line with the little clamp right, with the little hold down clip. Pop that clip off. And you got 3 nuts right there for the top hat. Pretty straightforward, huh? Done. And then you put these beauty covers right there. It's all broken. All right. Bring her up. And that's it. Ooh. Now we can snug these down. And that's how it's done. We'll do the other side in the short form.